Welcome to Fountain View. Today we are going to show you our 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom Hayden model, by far our #1 family house.
In case you're looking for a 2-story residence, this 2,600 square foot home might be a perfect option for you. Let's go inside.
You're going to love this one. Welcome inside the Hayden. To my left, you've got a formal dining room for when the family comes over.
Yes, and actually we're going to step into the luxury kitchen, so take a look at the granite countertops, really nice white cabinets with stainless steel appliances.
Big corner pantry.
Yes, for all those people who like to cook and shop, you have options to store all your items from Sam's Club or Costco, right?
We've even got an adjacent kitchen nook here, so when the kids are waking up in the morning, you can get them going for the day. Coming into the living room here. Plenty of space for oversized furniture. Mike, show them the downstairs bedroom.
So if you work from home or you have guests that visit a lot, this home has a first floor bedroom adjacent to a full bath. So you're gonna have definitely a very comfortable guests visiting you in the Hayden model here in Fountain View.
You've also got overflow storage underneath the stairs. Hey Mike, let's take them upstairs. Show them the other 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
Yeah, this is amazing space. There's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and even a playroom for the kids. Let's go check it out.
Welcome upstairs in the Hayden. You are gonna love this master bedroom. To say it's oversized is an understatement. You could have a full gym up here if you wanted to with your bedroom. Mike, show them that bathroom.
So if you're looking for a home with the large master suite, Hayden has it. There's 2 closets, big shower, double vanity. So if you're a couple that's looking for a home to accommodate a lot of clothes, Hayden has it. Let's take a look at additional bedrooms.
And if you've got a family this size, an upstairs laundry room is gonna be an absolute must. You've also got another guest bedroom here adjacent to the master. If you've got a toddler, it's perfect. And this is by far one of my favorite spaces right here.
So yeah, a lot of families come here and they love the second floor playroom, right? Chris, what's your favorite game?
Oh, nothing beats being you in Monopoly, buddy.
Right, so if you have kids that want to work on the real estate empire or want to play a lot of video games, they have a space up here. There's another bedroom right over here and a full bathroom right behind me. And also, if you need a home with 5 bedrooms, we have another office space up here, right? So this could be a bedroom, guest bedroom, or a home office.
Mike, there's a reason this is our #1 family home anywhere. You've got to come out and see this Hayden.
Yes, if you're looking for a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home, come check out Fountain View. Chris or I, we're going to show you guys around, give you more information about incentives, prices. We can't wait to give you all this information.
We'll see you soon.